In this lesson, we're going to learn about the buzz stroke, or some people might call it the multiple bounce stroke. And all that means is instead of letting the stick hit the drum once, we're going to let it buzz and bounce a few more times. And that's going to lead us to doing a drum roll. So let's start. We're going to go back to what we did in some of the earlier lessons and use just your first finger and thumb, not your other 3 fingers. Raise from the wrist and let the stick drop down and bounce as many times as it can. Do that a few times and then take those 3 fingers, wrap them around and do the same thing. You'll notice that the buzzes get closer together and it makes it shorter. Try the same thing with your other hand. No fingers first. Then wrap those 3 fingers around, do the same thing. Raising from your wrist only and let the stick bounce as many times as it can. Now let's do both hands together. Now with one hand, experiment with loosening and tightening your grip on the stick. Watch what happens if I start with a really loose grip and slowly start making it tighter and tighter. It gets to the point where it's almost not even buzzing or bouncing anymore. You're just digging it into the drum pad. Try that. We'll start really loose and then slowly start tightening your hand and squeezing your fingers even more until you get that really tight buzz sound. Now, that was too loose going to too tight, so you have to find a good midpoint in between those two. And when you find that, try it with both hands. We don't want it to go on for too long, and we don't want it to be too tight and short. It has to be about halfway in between. Once you find that good buzz stroke or multiple bounce stroke, let's do 8 on a hand really slowly, and we'll start with just the right hand, but we'll do multiple bounce strokes for the whole exercise. Ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it on the left hand. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 2 hands together. Ready, go. And finally, we'll alternate hands. Start with your right and go back and forth. Ready, go. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So now work on that until your next lesson. It's going to take a lot of time to get really comfortable controlling the stick to get just a few bounces for every stroke. And once that gets comfortable, let's start applying those buzzes or those multiple bounce strokes to different rhythms. We'll just do one as an example, and then you can go and look in your book and try that with any rhythm you see. So we'll play it with this rhythm. Ba, 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 ba. Let's play that rhythm normally, so with regular single strokes. Ready, go. Now do the same thing, but let the sticks buzz. Say it with your voice first. Listen. Buzz, 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 buzz. That's what we want to get on the drum. Ready, go. Try it again. Ready, go. Now you can apply that to any of the rhythms that we've been doing in the book. And if you slowly start speeding up your tempo, that's how we get a drum roll. Good luck, have fun, and go show someone at home what you just learned.